Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on the Citroen C5 Aircross 2019 2-litre diesel. You'll have the same engine probably, that's why you're on this video. So if you're getting P0403 P0406, control of the EGR valve position signal. It's diesel. I mean, this is expected to be happening whether you've done 20,000, 80,000, 200,000, doesn't matter. This will be a common issue, in other words. There's a few ways around it. I'll guide you and you guys can make the judgment, and it'll be your decision, in other words. That fault code is to do with this here. This here, guys. Okay? This is your sensor that you take off. But it's this valve in here that's causing it. So, it's EGR. It already tells you. It's diesel, so recommendation would be to check the wiring, make sure it's all getting good voltage. Yes, happy days then. And in your case, the symptoms will be you're losing power, intermittent, you're getting power back and losing power. There is that valve there. Do you see that valve? That there? That's how do I put it? That there. So this is the, I forgot what the right name is to be fair for it, but it opens up the whole air system. It's like a circulation, in other words. Sometimes that goes faulty rather than this EGR. It's that actually that goes faulty, but then again it may not. It may be the whole EGR system. What we recommend, what we would say is, you can, if you're handy, take the EGR out, clean it. I know it's not in the best position, but you got to be at, you know, you got to do some stuff yourself in this world, otherwise you're gonna stack up in terms of money. So take it off, clean it. I even clean the throttle body as well here in these pipes, clean it all up, and then put it back. Hopefully this will eliminate it. If it doesn't, then just buy another. I won't buy used because you'll be in the same boat and it's labour that'll be costly. Buy a new original OEM and just put it on and done and dusted. Okay, the other alternative would be, rather than spending £300-400 on this, what you can do is remap it. I don't do remap. It's up to you. You can map it out, delete it, end off. Many people do it online. Get a good one to do it. Don't just get cheap stuff. It'll be around about 150 quid, 200 quid, whoever does it. But that's the sort of figure. If you can get it cheaper, happy days, 120. Yep, no problem. But anything cheaper, you'll have to question yourself whether filing is done and whatnot.